Did you know that some of the most flavorful, resilient, and historically rich vegetables have been quietly disappearing from our gardens? While we're busy chasing the latest gardening trends, these old varieties, many of which were staples in early American kitchens, are being forgotten. But here's the thing. They're not just relics of the past. They're packed with flavor, easy to grow, and deserve a comeback. In this video, we're checking 15 vanishing American vegetables that still deserve a place in your garden. Let's start with a leafy green that Thomas Jefferson himself grew at Monticello. Tennis ball lettuce is a compact butterhead variety that dates back to the 18th century. Its tender, sweet leaves were a favorite in colonial gardens, and it's still one of the easiest lettuces to grow today. Perfect for small gardens or containers, this variety thrives in cool weather and can be harvested in just 50 days. Its small, tightly packed heads are about the size of a tennis ball, hence the name. The leaves are buttery and tender, making them a standout in salads. What's fascinating about tennis ball lettuce is its resilience. It can handle a light frost, making it a great choice for early spring or late fall planting. Moving on to cheese pumpkin. This treat isn't just for pies, it's a piece of agricultural history. The Long Island cheese pumpkin, named for its flattened wheel of cheese shape, has been grown in the region since the 1800s. Its sweet, dense flesh is ideal for baking, and its tan skin makes it a striking addition to fall decor. Unlike modern pumpkins, this variety is resistant to pests and stores well, making it a practical choice for any gardener. What sets this pumpkin apart is its versatility. While it's perfect for pies, its smooth texture also makes it great for soups, stews, and even roasted dishes. The vines are vigorous and can spread up to 15 feet, so make sure you give them plenty of space. Next are Jimmy Nardello's sweet Italian frying peppers. Named after an Italian immigrant whose family brought the seeds to Connecticut in 1887, this pepper is a testament to the power of heirloom preservation. Frying pepper is a long, thin pepper that turns from green to red when ripe. Its sweet, almost fruity flavor makes it perfect for frying, roasting, or eating fresh. It's also incredibly productive, so you'll have plenty to share. What makes this pepper special is its history. Jimmy Nardello's mother brought the seeds from Italy, and the family grew the peppers for generations before sharing them with the wider world. Today, it's a favorite among gardeners and chefs alike for its sweet flavor and versatility. If you're looking for a pepper that's easy to grow and packed with flavor, Jimmy Nardello's is a must-have. If you've ever seen glass gem corn, you know it's unlike any other corn variety. Developed by Carl Barnes, a Cherokee farmer, this corn is a living rainbow. Each ear is a unique blend of translucent, jewel-toned kernels. While it's not your typical sweet corn, it's perfect for grinding into cornmeal or using as a stunning fall decoration. Growing glass gem corn is like growing a piece of art. The story behind glass gem corn is just as colorful as the kernels. Carl Barnes spent years selecting and saving seeds to create this variety, which has become a symbol of heirloom preservation. The corn is drought-tolerant and thrives in poor soil, making it a great choice for sustainable gardening. Moving on to a mortgage lifter tomato. This tomato has a story as big as its fruit. Radiator Charlie, a West Virginia mechanic, developed this variety in the 1940s to pay off his mortgage. And it worked. His massive pink tomatoes became so popular that he sold the plants for $1 each, a hefty price at the time. The mortgage lifter is known for its sweet, meaty fruit and disease resistance, making it a must-grow for any tomato lover. What makes this tomato special is its size and flavor. The fruits can weigh up to 2 pounds, and their sweet, low-acid flavor makes them perfect for sandwiches and salads. The plants are also highly productive, so you'll have plenty to share. And now another favorite of Thomas Jefferson, the bullnose pepper. This is a sweet bell pepper that was widely grown in colonial America. Its thick walls and mild flavor make it perfect for stuffing or eating fresh. This variety is also highly adaptable, thriving in both hot and cool climates. But what makes the bullnose pepper special is its historical significance. It was one of the first sweet peppers grown in America and was a staple in early American gardens. The peppers are large and blocky with a sweet, crisp flavor that's perfect for salads, roasting, or stuffing. If you're looking for a pepper that's both easy to grow and has a long history, the bullnose pepper is a fantastic choice. Continuing with Boston Marrow squash. The Boston Marrow squash was a staple in New England kitchens during the 19th century. This squash is known for its impressive size, often growing to be quite large, making it a substantial addition to any harvest. It has smooth orange skin and sweet, fine-grained flesh that's perfect for pies and soups. Its generous size also means it's a heavy yielder, so you'll have plenty to store for winter. What sets this squash apart is its productivity, buttery flavor, and substantial size. Because of its soft texture, it works well in soups, stews, and roasted foods in addition to pies. Moving on to Amish deer tongue lettuce. This heirloom lettuce has been grown by the Amish for generations. The deer tongue lettuce is a loose leaf variety with triangular deer tongue-shaped leaves. Its crisp texture and mild flavor make it a favorite for salads and sandwiches. It's also heat-tolerant, so it's a great choice for summer gardens. What sets this lettuce apart is its resilience. It can handle a light frost, making it a great choice for early spring or late fall planting. Plus, it's less prone to bolting than many modern varieties, so you'll have a longer harvest window. If you're looking for a lettuce that's both historically significant and easy to grow, Amish deer tongue lettuce is a must-try. The red fig tomato is a delightful heirloom variety that was very popular in Philadelphia during the 19th century. Known for its distinctive pear-shaped appearance and small size, this tomato stands out not only for its unique look, but also for its exceptional flavor. Its sweet yet tangy taste makes it a versatile choice, perfect for crafting preserves, sauces, or simply enjoying fresh. What truly sets the red fig tomato apart is its combination of flavor, shape, and productivity. The plants are remarkably full, ensuring a bountiful harvest throughout the growing season. Whether you're canning, cooking, or sharing with friends and family, you'll have an abundance of these flavorful fruits to enjoy. Moving on to the white egg turnip, this is a charming heirloom variety that has been cherished since colonial times for its mild, sweet flavor and petite, round shape. Its delicate taste makes it a standout choice, and it is easy to grow and quick to mature, making it an excellent addition to any garden. It offers a reliable and rewarding harvest. The white egg turnip specialty lies in its unique combination of flavor and appearance. Its small, round roots are not only visually interesting, but also boast a subtly sweet taste that shines when roasted, added to soups, or incorporated into stews. The plants are highly productive, ensuring you'll have plenty to enjoy and share throughout the season. And now it is time for Georgia Rattlesnake watermelon. This southern heirloom watermelon variety dates back to the 1800s and is named for its long, striped rind that resembles a rattlesnake skin. The Georgia Rattlesnake watermelon is known for its sweet, juicy flesh and ability to store well, making it a practical choice for families who needed to preserve their harvest. What makes this watermelon special is its flavor and storability. The fruits can weigh up to 40 pounds and have a rich, sweet flavor that's perfect for summer desserts. Because of its enormous size and beautiful markings, it's a true showstopper in any garden. If you're looking for a watermelon that's both delicious and historically significant, the Georgia Rattlesnake is a must-grow. Next, we have a true classic that you just need to grow, a Boston Pickling Cucumber. This heirloom cucumber variety has been a staple in American gardens since the 1800s. The Boston Pickling Cucumber is known for its small, uniform fruits and crisp texture, making it perfect for homemade pickles. It's also delicious fresh in salads or as a snack. What sets this cucumber apart is its historical significance. It was widely grown by early American settlers and remains a favorite in some parts of America today for its reliability and productivity. The plants are compact and easy to grow, making them a great choice for small gardens or containers. If you're looking for a cucumber that's crisp and perfect for pickling, the Boston Pickling Cucumber is a must-try. The Tomatillo Verde is a staple in Mexican cuisine, but has been grown in the American Southwest for centuries. This small green fruit is encased in a papery husk and has a tangy, citrus-like flavor that's perfect for salsas and sauces. It's incredibly easy to grow and thrives in hot, dry climates, making it a great choice for gardeners in the southern United States. What makes the Tomatillo Verde special is its versatility. While it's a key ingredient in traditional dishes like salsa verde, it can also be used in soups, stews, and even jams. The plants are amazing producers, so you'll have plenty to experiment with in the kitchen. If you're looking for a unique addition to your garden, the Tomatillo Verde is a must-grow. Next is the beautiful purple potted pole bean. This is a stunning bean variety with deep purple pods that turn green when cooked. This variety has been grown in America since the 1800s and is known for its tender, flavorful beans. It's a pole bean, meaning it will climb and produce abundantly throughout the season. What makes this bean special is its dual-purpose nature. You can harvest the young pods for fresh eating or let them mature for drying. The vibrant purple color adds a pop of beauty to your garden, and the beans themselves have a rich, earthy flavor. If you're looking for a bean that's both ornamental and delicious, the purple potted pole bean is amazing. And now, something truly unique, the strawberry popcorn. This small ornamental corn variety has been grown in America since the 1800s. With its deep red kernels and compact ears, it's a true standout in the garden. While it's not a sweet corn, it pops beautifully and also makes a stunning fall decoration. What sets this corn apart is its striking appearance. Its small, jewel-toned ears make it perfect for both decorating and popping. The plants are highly productive and easy to grow, making them a great addition to any garden.